Going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Target gift card. So for those people who do not know Target is America's biggest retail online store and offline store as well. You can also visit their official store if it is like near your location, or if you're want to shop online, you can also shop online in Target. It's both available online, offline, but like Target is only available in USA and Canada. So if you're outside this country, then Target is not gonna work. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can redeem the gift card of Target so you guys can use it online. All right, so you can use it offline as well. By offline, I mean you can go to a store and when the time of checking out, you can give your gift card and like the staff over there is gonna use it. All right, but if you want to use it online, there's some like if you just want to search for Target. When you search for Target, you want to click on Target, expect more, pay less. Click on it. It's going to take you to the official website of Target. Once you're over here, in order to redeem it, you need to log in into your account. But I've already logged in into my account. That's why it's showing me my username. If you guys have not logged in into your account, it's going to show you, sign in over here. So make sure to sign in. I've already done that. So I'm just going to click on my username over here. Once I do that, it's going to show me gift cards over here. So what you want to do is click on gift cards. It's going to take you to the page where you guys can redeem your gift card. Over here, what you want to do is save a new gift card. And over here, you need to enter your card number and your access number. So enter a 15-digit card number over here and your access number. And all of this number is going to be found on your Target gift card. As you guys can see over here, here's like small little demo of Target gift card. And at the bottom, it's going to show you both the card number and access number. The 16-digit number is the card number, and the one with less than 16 digit is going to be your access number. Enter both of it over here, click on add, and if your Target gift card is not expired, it will be added on your Target. And once you add it over here, when you're trying to check out, you can use the gift card as a payment option as well.